Let's bake bread. Now you could mix up all the ingredients, put it in your stand mixer, allow it to brew for several hours, or you could do this.
Are you serious?
While shopping in Morrison's, I came across this, the Box Bakery wheat, oat and sourdough bread mix. There were other breads you could make. It says freshly bake in the box. Had to give it a go. The blurb. Nothing beats the aroma and taste of home-baked bread. I know, I've made quite a bit. Now with our unique process, I wonder what that is, you can bake delicious bread at home, fuss-free, with no mess. We'll be the judge of that. Ingredients: wheat flour, oat flakes, rye flakes, dried wheat sourdough, sunflower seeds, linseeds, yeast, roasted malted wheat flour, salt, flour treatment agent, ascorbic acid, vegetable fat, rapeseed oil that is. And here are the limited instructions. All seems quite easy. I'll go through these as we go along. So, let's get into baking some bread. In a box. Home baked bread. Shake the box to loosen contents. Okay, let's shake the box. Lift here it says. Okay. There we go. Shake the box, loosen the contents, remove the stopper and add 300 ml of lukewarm water and replace the stopper. So I've done, I've warmed this in the microwave. I'm going to check it with my digital thermometer. I'd like to get it somewhere around 38 degrees C. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Does it feel? Yeah, it feels sort of lukewarm. Yep, we're there or thereabouts. There we go. Let's do that then. Replace the stopper. Place your thumb over the stopper to hold it in place. Gently shake the box to allow the liquid and mix to bind. Then shake well for approximately 1 minute. Can't see this. There you go. So it will set my echo to do 1 minute. You go to 30 mix, turning the box occasionally. Okay. It's all gonna get drippage. Oh, as you can see, maybe not, it's still like, it smells doughy, but see, it's not actually combined yet. It's starting to get Tell you what, it's probably easier. Just to make bread. Well, I think it's getting there. Maybe a bit more. I can't wait for my delicious home-baked bread. Okay. Pull the top left corner to remove the lid of the box. Right. So we take, I assume we take that. Oh no. Oh my god. Remove the lid of the box. Top left corner. Remove the lid, eh? Okay. Not totally convinced, but okay. There we are. Now I'm supposed to mix this apparently with a fork. There we go. Make some hand cleaning there. Now get a fork. Should we take? We'll take all this over here as well. We can. Remix with a fork. That's okay. Trying to get those off the edges. Okay, here we go with the olive oil. First the top. The easiest thing in the world. I think that should do that. Right, next. Set temperature to 60 degrees C fan, conventional oven for approximately 30 to 35 minutes or until dough has risen. Oh, you have to put it in a cold oven, okay? Right, where is 60 degrees? I don't know, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60? Echo. Set timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now.
And of course, while it's in the oven, the other part of the instructions is on the box. So, yeah, perhaps I should have read that bit before I put it in. Okay. Echo. Stop. Okay, we're now at 35 minutes and it says to turn it up to 200 degrees for between 45 and 50 minutes. And whatever you do, don't judge the state of my oven. Okay? Thanks. Right, 200 degrees. 200 degrees, 200 degrees. There we go. Echo. Set 45-minute timer.
45 minutes. Starting now.
Right, while that's baking, I think it's time for a coffee. Echo. Stop. Okay, that's 45 minutes. Let's get this loaf of bread out. And there it is. Oh, doesn't seem to have risen as much as I thought it would have, and it seems a bit, I don't know, hard. Let's see if we can get it out of here and after baking, remove bread from the box, place on a wire rack. Cool completely before enjoying. Okay, maybe if we break the box open then. And there we have it. There's the bowl. Yeah, it's got a nice hollow sound, as a loaf of bread should have. We'll get that on a wire rack and let it cool there. And then we'll slice it, see what it's like. There we go. Just need to let it cool down. Like I said, it doesn't seem to have risen that much. But the proof of the pudding, we'll find out later. Right then, time to cut into this, see what it's like. Let's cut the, it's still a little bit warm. Oh my god, that is crusty. Maybe that's the olive oil. Possibly, still a little doughy. So, do another one. Yeah, I think it needed possibly a little bit longer. But you know, it's not a bad crumb, it's just quite a small loaf of bread. So here's a comparison of the pack shot and what I ended up with. So would I recommend this? Not really. It's not that difficult for anyone to bake bread. You only need 4 ingredients: flour, yeast, water and salt. I did try the bread and it does have a nice flavour. And if you look at the pack shot, you'll see that what they've done is put one slice of bread on top of another. So maybe what I got is what you're supposed to get. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.